Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the BullX private key and import it to Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. First, log in to your BullX account on the website. Navigate to the Wallet section where you should see an option to export or view your private key. Copy the private key to your clipboard. Next, open your Phantom Wallet and click on your profile icon in the top left corner and then click on the plus icon. Next, select Import Private Key from available list. Now, paste the private key you copied from BullX into the provided field. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. Once the wallet is successfully imported, you should see your BullX funds in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.